Ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Tariki emerongo ebere na isato omotienyi no yogatano mwaka buchirubere nemerongo ebere na inye mwanchumureria Undizi TV kukwali nibene ase omoroberio bose amangana amaya chinsa isano na ibere chiabono mugaso iletera nenkoro kwa Job Maangi na yokwene kinga chibiche chiboigo na manganaya koko ikirare asenchira yowekera nunsara momanyi yokwene kiankonyorore amangana wetera asenchira elia yomuno imenyererio Lydia Mosenkora nande asikatere tambe mengo bamanyina ali aberega gwatika korwake tetsinza chamambi wekera bono mugaso. Mwanchumulilia Undizi TV ama yani gotobola chaka sekerenga kilituko liarero elituko liogo ruania nabo yokorua obo semye igoro yoborwire bwa fustula astinsemo au nigo abanyagichari nabo yogo chiserekali chichi county babere bako aligania lituko line nabo yogo omoyega nabo yogemesangerekano au yokorua obo semye nabo yokumanyekania igoro yoborwire bwa fustula me county ya Kisii mbati Girimaega ase serikali county ya Kisii bakobwaterana nekyombekeria ya daraja mbili Visioners Volunteers gwetera ase nyagichari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital babeire bakorua abosemya gochia ase abangina babwate obokongu bonga buno bogochia kogenda ase nyagichari yurinde babakolingoliwa nabo igo korwaliwa ase obwango kigima omochando yo otaraba gokogenda ase ale atambe.
Leo tarehe 23 mwezi wa 5 ni siku ya kuadhimisha mambo ya fistula ulimwenguni, na sisi kama kitengo cha afya Kisii County tumejumuika na wenzetu duniani ili kuhakikisha kwamba ujumbe wa kuzuia tatizo la fistula unamfikia kila mmoja aliyepo ndani ya kaunti ya Kisii. Serikali hii ya His Excellency wa Governor Honorable Simba Arati imeweka jitihada za kuhakikisha kwamba madaktari wengi wamepatikana katika kaunti hii na wauguzi ili kuweza kulihudumia tatizo hili linapokuwa limetokea, lakini zaidi kuwa na madaktari wengi katika sub-county zetu na kule mashinani kuhakikisha kwamba mama zetu ambao ni wajawazito hawapati tatizo hili. Ila tunataka kusema kwamba kwa ambao tayari wameshapata tatizo hili kuna jitihada mbalimbali kupitia washikadau mbalimbali kama daraja mbili ambao tuko nao hapa leo kuhakikisha kwamba wale akina mama ambao wamepata tatizo hili wanapata huduma ya matibabu kupitia surgery mapema.
Mwanchumulilia Undizi TV tukosikabose wika asa chinse chia ngumbu nigo muraibwense Dr. William Ruto abere gakugendera netaro yaye imeyense elia ya ngumbu ya United States of America ase abere gakomirana no muraibwense ya America Joe Biden asabere otwara chinkwana igoro ya mangana andrete imense ya ito ya Kenya aso muraibwense Dr. William Ruto abaga kumusaba muraibwense area ya America Joe Biden kobaga kwene kinga okubwatera no kuyankolega chinsi ya Kenya neli ya America anemono boigo korwa ogosira ase ensemeria ya teknolojia linde kwene kinga abasae n'abakenya nkwenyorera bale ameremo gwetera ase chinchera chiria chiekerero.
I bring you very
Monchumurele on DZ TV to sabo kwa berwa sengencho yokoburukana wechibicha askolende tutikalite se etaro yomurai wense elia ya Kenya uchi asenseria ya Amerika nigo ensemo yaye umurai wense ya Amerika Joe Biden abeire gakogokera na gochengera okubwaterana okuya egati yense ya Kenya nense ya Amerika ase miaka ugwetania emerongo etano nemo ase abagakorwa eira bunanachi kwene kinga okobwatira na nkoro egatie chinsechi ibere na boigo na chikorwa ogosira asensemeria yemitandao ya kerero na boigo teknolojia elinda kwene kinga ense ya Kenya ngochiere kogenderera na boigo kina ase ekerengo.
And look forward to working with you and you know, we keep investing in the true strengths of our nations, our people.
Wantumureli on DZ TV togos kabosioni go omoseneta bwe county area ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna abeire korokia oichana okonene yenkobwatekana neserekari enene gotekirania eira babete bakoliera aba Kenya asumubaro omonere bwamenyi imense county area Nairobi bataraba bakonyora chibesa serikali abete korwa eira elia yokorwa chibesa chire chiribu 10 gochia kera ase omo Kenya obete gakonyora owakwa kubwatekana neto igokolende boigo nabaga komochia serikali ye county ya Nairobi elia ekorau no governor Johnson Sakaja asukunganya aba Kenya na boigo abamenyi bensemo area ya Nairobi anemono bali bamenyete angene chindo tataba mirobelio ebwenderete tirabage kubwatiwa asebona abwate obwobanga abantu bali bakunerelia amalemo nigo baraba gosona nagati na kunerelia abamenyi be county ya Nairobi amalemo abo boigo nigo abagakomochia etaro yomurai wense Dr. William Ruto ase abagatebanga nigabere utumika chibesa chinyinge ase etaro elia ase kolende abakenya bandrete guchandika chinsemo au ime yense yaito ya Kenya.
We want the government first of all to tell us with certainty what is the distance that Nairobians must keep from the high water line. Is it 15, is it 30, is it 35? So that people do not, crooked elements do not take advantage of that. And we want to condemn in the strongest terms possible all of those who are taking advantage of this to essentially perpetuate a land grab in Nairobi. And because riparian areas are under the management of the county government, these are answers we will be demanding from Sakaja himself. So as your senator, that is exactly what I'm going to do. Immediately he's back from the US. I know he's in the US with the president. After he has visited Atlanta and the other nice places, we want him to come back to Mathare and tell us where the riparian lands are. Sawa. You can see MCAs drawn from various constituencies, wards. The member of parliament is from Westlands is here. We can confirm that up to today, the 10,000 shillings that was promised by William Ruto has not arrived for our people. I think it was part of the money that was used to hire that private jet. So we want the government, first of all, to tell us with certainty what is the distance that Nairobians must keep from the high water line. Is it 15, is it 30, is it 35? So that people do not, crooked elements do not take advantage of that. And we want to condemn in the strongest terms possible all of those who are taking advantage of this to essentially perpetuate a land grab in Nairobi. And because riparian areas are under the management of the county government, these are answers we will be demanding.
TV tugoskabosioni go chingaki abakenya bagenrete kuegwa esegeto anemono igoro yobuya obutumiki wemitandao yekerero nige serikali gwetera ase wizara eyetenendete amangana alengete emitandao yekerero na boigo obwerelia ICT and Communication inse bumurai bumuwaziri Eliud Owalo yaberege kurua eiranga serikali serikali nigeruete kwene kinga yabereye kubika chinsemo abakenya baraba goikera emitanda nabo kwene kinga ngobeka bale emitambo buna chi wifi chinsemo abunenchera emo yokwene kinga ngoikira nibale obokereri ange naba Kenya ase abawate banga oboigo enenchira ebarabe kwene kinga abakenya ngotumeka bale omoroberio oria o e-citizen ase emeroberio ali bakoli yabo kalere korwa ase serikali engana abawate banga nigera chikokeania obokurumi asense yaito ya Kenya aniga yakwana chingaki abawikirana ase county ya Kajiado asoko igoro nabo igogosioli wa wegetuo ekemo kelia kemitandao ase county area ya Kajiado.
We will ensure that a total of 25,000 Wi-Fi hotspots are established in markets all over the country. 1,450 digital hubs will be in each and every ward in the country. Na vile vile tukisonga mbele tutahakikisha kwamba huduma zote za serikali zitakuwa kwa mtandao. Mpango kabambe ambayo tuko nayo katika digital transformation ni kuhakikisha kwamba kazi ya vijana na wasichana tunapanga mashinani na wanafanyia kampuni za huko nje ya Ulaya huko na wanalipwa tena vile vile kwa njia ya madola. Vile vile tuko na mpango ya kusaidia wakina mama kwa masoko. Tutahakikisha kwamba katika kila soko, kila pembe ya nchi yetu tutaweka wifi kusaidia wakina mama kufanya biashara kwa masoko. Unapiga picha kwa bidhaa yako, unarusha kwa mtandao, mnunuzi anaona, mnaongea kwa simu, mnajadiliana juu ya bei, analipa na M-Pesa, unaweka kwa bodaboda, inaenda. Tukisonga mbele tutahakikisha kwamba mahali popote ambayo tuko na stima vile vile tunapeleka fiber na internet. Badala ya kuchimba mtaro chini, sasa tumebadilisha mpango. Tutaweka fiber kwa line ya Kenya Power huko juu. Stima ikiingia kwa boma, internet vile vile pia inaingia kwa boma. Tuko na mpango ya kuhakikisha kwamba tunapeleka internet kila pembe.
Goskabusio nigo ingana elia eringete omo amontulio ase ensemeria yomuswada olia wechibesa bose finance bill yomwakoyo nigenda tekoleta liberera linene chinsemo ase ababwango igabwesokia nababunge ababere bakomochia ekerenga ya serikali kwene kinga yaberege kuna tachibesa chirichi kogenda asomoroberio OCDF nechibesa chirichi ko bachigo tumekuwa ase okorageria abana sawate banga nige tambo kero kirabege koirania abahorokia maega ase emeroberio abagendrete anemono aso kwena na chisemi gochia asa borokiwa imense ito ya Kenya bono niko baba gusaba ekamati area ye budget na boigo serikali enene wetira ase wizara yekiganja bose treasury kwene kinga ngo chikorusa ni bale ensemeyu ase e bill eyo line kwene kinga chisemi nkogendra chire chitari gotorwani wa buna chira chigotorwani wa ase amatuko ale bosio.
At CDF we have complied with the law, the act, and there's no provision within the act for school feeding program per se. What we have is bursary. So in areas where bursary will not be required, but instead they want to feed children, then can be a proposal depending on the constituency. So there's no provision within the CDF Act for school feeding program.
Tumekuja Mvita, tumekuwa Nyali, tutaenda Matuga, tutakuwa Kilifi North na Jomvu kuangalia mambo ya ICT hubs ambazo tumetengea pesa kwa asilimia 3 katika CDF kwa mgao wa kila constituency 3%. So katika hiyo wakati vile tumefanya, tunataka kuona kama hii pesa zitaweza kutumika vizuri na kama watu ambao wanahusika wanaelewa nini ambaye hasa tunahitaji.
Togoskabosio asengana erengete okonono wechibesa korwa serikali enene goika ase serikali chichi county ni gomo governor we county ya Kakamega Fernandez Barasa beragwe sokia na kugikelia ekerenga ya serikali okogania gochiko kechibesa chirabe chikonono gochia ase chi county nigo abagao sabalika liyo serikali enene nebwendrate kobwato kachibesa chire chinyinge gochia ase ensemo eli chi county linekwene kinga ngoikira ni bale amagendero ase chi county.
But unfortunately, there are some specific direct costs which have been pushed down to counties. Initially, those costs were being borne by the national government. And one of them is the medical equipment service, popularly known as MES. It's really a mess because we are now expected to spend over 25 billion Kenya shillings starting from the next financial year. Look at the amount that have been increased. It's only 5.5 billion. So a direct cost already for health, we have been given 25 billion. We are supposed to be servicing the medical equipment as counties. What worries now the counties is specific functions which have been devolved. For example, healthcare. 95% of health is devolved. And yet, the Ministry of Health is getting more money than what is proposed for 47 counties. So you wonder what is the
Mwanchumurelia Undizi TV oroboti uruchi county notochuikira omweli obomangana majia chinsa isano na ibere chiabono mugaso sekole nengo kwenyolinga nabo wakira Ndizi TV bunige station keli bwanchete amameranyo akuza awards asitariki bono nigo chiabete gosukiwa wika asitariki emerongo etato nemo wateli bagalia bene ligwakira Ndizi TV ne TV bwanchete enjira gwakira Ndizi TV na sogotoma elieta kuza namba AMO isanemo enoti AMO 15601 tuma elieta kuza na gwakera Ndizi TV buna TV elia bwanchete litera nenkoro kwa Job Maangi na wako nekinga chibiche chiboiko na maliogi abira wekera asenchira yo wekera nunsara mumanyi oya wako nekinga nyorora mangana wetera asenchira muno imenyererio Lydia Mose wikara chinga kichinde na baga neilie obulia obuya imya Ndizi TV nabwo obwansu bwomo gusi